What's up, guys? I'm Ty, and welcome back to Ty Benjamin Jones House. Now, a week ago, there's a little chick that lost. No, not that lost. That eats something and lost its mouth, and raccoon just get it, but it's not even died. But now it had a name now. Its name is Clucky. Clucky! Hey, Clucky, Clucky. Now it's quite good now at jumping at from here to down here. Come on, Clucky, Clucky, Clucky. Clucky! Ooh, Clucky, Clucky. Yeah? Alright. Let's see, okay. So, come on, Clucky, come on, Clucky, 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 Clucky. Come on, Clucky, 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 Clucky. Are you tired, Clucky? Clucky, Clucky, Clucky. Come on, Clucky, Clucky, Clucky. Come on, come on, come on, Clucky, Clucky, Clucky. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Clucky. Come on. Come on, come on. Clucky, come on. Good job, Clucky. Alright, so. Ooh, no. Don't eat that, Clucky. No, Clucky. Oh, this is trash. Alright, so see you guys later. Bye.